What's up, you guys? I had to come on and share with you guys really quick. My hubby just surprised me with 3 polishes. I'm super shocked because he never ever buys me polishes really every blue moon, and he hates when I buy polish. So I was surprised when he came home with these. But yeah, and I was in the middle of vlogging too, so when I edit my vlog, that will be up on my vlog channel, and he actually showed the polishes. So you guys make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, Life with Nikki Nicole. I'll leave the link in the comments in the description box. But he picked me up 3 LA Colors Color Craze gels, and I hope y'all can see. He knows I like pink, so he picked out all pinks, and I like them all. They are the gel like shines, the no UV needed polishes, so they're gel like polishes. This one is called Vixen, and it's a pretty like deep pink. It's no shimmer, it's just a cream. It looks like, yeah, there's no shimmer to this one, it's just a cream. A nice deep pink. It's like the color of this of the lid. And this one is my favorite. This one is called Pink Sugar, and it has a really pretty shimmer to it. I really like this one. And excuse my nails, I've been chipping my polish off. I've been meaning to remove it, so they're all chipped. But yeah, this one's so pretty. I'm trying to see if you guys can see if I can get some better lighting on it, but it has a really nice shimmer to it. Very light pink. And then this one, it looks similar to that one, but it's not the same. This one, it's also a cream. This one is called Socialite. He thinks that I'm a socialite because I'm always on social media. So he actually picked it up for the name. Isn't that something? And I love the names of polishes. So he does listen. But yeah, he got this one. It's also pretty pink. They do look very similar, but one is a bit darker than the other. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but they are 2 different colors. But he did good for picking up polish by himself, though. Very nice. And then he said that they were $2.99 each. He didn't get these from like a store. He picked them up from the beauty supply. And yeah, they were $2.99 each. And then I also want to share this with you guys. I think I shared on this channel when I went to Dollar General and I was walking around. I believe I showed these. One had said Fabulous, but they also had some with the polish bottle on it. I'm not sure if it's on this channel or my vlog channel, but they had some with the polish bottle on it, and they were just $2. My mom actually got this for me from Dollar General, and it's a cute little, like, I don't know what you call it, like a mason jar, maybe something similar to a mason jar. You know, I say that because of the way that it opens, but it has a nice, you know, amount of space in the inside. So I was thinking maybe of putting like cotton balls in it, Q-tips, you know, something like that. And it'd be good on my like little nail table. But I think it's so cute. And I was actually thinking of maybe putting like glitter or something around it, or maybe glitter on the top, or either get some more like nail stickers or something like that and adding to it, just like doing a little DIY, customize it a little bit maybe. But I love it, and they recently were having a 50% off sale, and these were $1. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, so if you guys have a Dollar General in your area, go check it out, because they had all of this stuff on clearance, and all of the things that I showed in that Dollar General video is now 50% off. All the cute like little girly kitchen things I was showing and stuff like that, all of that is 50% off. Like I said, I don't know if it still is, but it was, so go check it out. I picked up a few things. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys really quick. I was excited about my new polishes hubby got me. That was a really nice surprise. Thanks, hon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and click that thumbs up button.